In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pauses in ElevenLabs, the 2020 Easy Guide. Now, if you're new to ElevenLabs, it's your go-to place for generating lifelike synthetic voices. So, before we dive into pausing techniques, remember you can support us by using our affiliate link when signing up for ElevenLabs. It really helps us bring more content like this. Let's get started with the basics. When you're entering your text into ElevenLabs, there's a simple and effective way to introduce pauses into your generated audio. By adding multiple periods in succession, you can create a pause effect. It's a straightforward, intuitive method. Imagine you're reading aloud and encounter those extra dots. You naturally insert a little break in your speech. ElevenLabs interprets these periods as a cue to pause, making your audio sound more natural and less robotic. However, if you're looking for a more sophisticated way to control pauses, we can explore another feature within ElevenLabs. You can switch to the 11v3 audio mode, which unlocks a powerful set of features for fine-tuning your audio output. Here, rather than using multiple dots to create pauses, you have the option to incorporate what's known as tags. Tags are nifty little tools allowing you to instruct the AI specifically where to pause, enhancing the flow and realism of the generated speech. To use this technique, instead of dotting your text, you'll want to type the word pause surrounded by square brackets. It should look something like this. Pause. By doing this, you're sending a clear signal to the AI indicating where you want the pause to occur. The AI will recognize this tag as a command to insert a pause at that specific point, rather than awkwardly trying to voice the word pause. It's a really neat feature when you're crafting a script that requires a natural conversational flow, or when you want to emphasize certain points by giving your listeners a moment to process the information. And that's all there is to it. By using simple tools like multiple periods or more advanced tags in 11v3, you can have full control over the pacing of your text-to-speech projects. That's about as easy as it gets for creating smooth, natural audio with well-placed pauses. Thanks for tuning into this quick guide. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering ElevenLabs. And don't forget, if you haven't already signed up, use our affiliate link in the description to get started. It's a great way to support the channel. Until next time, happy audio.